Hello! We move on, and in this section, we'll explore the public transport and walking navigation, and other advanced features like voice guidance, real-time traffic updates, and live view. To use public transport navigation in Google Maps, enter your destination and select the public transport icon. You will see a list of all available routes and connections based on your current location, which may include various types of public transport such as buses, trains, and subways. To understand what each icon represents, go to the Options menu where you can also customize your preferences for routes and transport types. For example, if you're traveling from your gym to a cinema, input your destination and choose a suitable public transport route. Tap on the selected route to view a detailed description, including estimated travel time, transit options, and fare information. This ensures you have all the necessary details for a smooth journey. For those who prefer to plan in advance, Google Maps offers a Remind Me to Leave feature that helps to schedule trips by providing notifications when it's time to leave for a destination. To use it, enter your destination in the search bar and select it. Tap on the Directions button. Once your route is displayed, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Set Depart or Arrive Time from the menu options. Choose the Depart At or Arrive By option to set when you need to leave or arrive. Google Maps will calculate the best time to leave based on current and predicted traffic conditions. After setting your time, go again to three dots and set a reminder to leave. Make sure you have notifications turned on so you can receive a timely alert from Google Maps. For those who are faced with the need for walking navigation, the Live View feature is designed. To use this feature, enter your destination in the search bar and tap on Directions, and select the walking icon to get walking directions. Then tap Start and turn on the Live View at the bottom of the screen to activate AR navigation. Hold your phone up and point your camera towards the street. The app will use your camera to identify your location and overlay directions on your screen. Follow the arrows and directions displayed in AR to reach your destination. Always be mindful of your environment while using Live View and ensure you're walking safely. Another impressive feature of Google Maps is providing offline access, ensuring you're not left without necessary functions even if you lose your mobile network, are in areas with poor network coverage, or while traveling abroad. To use offline Google Maps, tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Select Offline Maps and tap on Select Your Own Map. Use the map interface to zoom in or out and select the area you want to download. The app will show you the size of the download and the space available on your device. Once you've selected the area, tap Download. The map will be saved to your device for offline use. You can use offline maps to navigate offline. To do this, open the Google Maps app and find your downloaded map area. But note that some features, such as live traffic updates, walking directions, and public transport, are not available offline. The last but not least feature is sharing a route with your friends or colleagues. Once you have your route ready, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Share Directions. Choose the app or method you want to use to share the directions. The recipient will receive a link to the route, which they can open in their Google Maps app or browser. We've covered essential features such as route creation, personalized lists, and offline maps, providing you with the tools to navigate efficiently and confidently. With these skills, you can make the most of your journeys, optimize your routes, and discover new places with ease,